Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline on the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving daily signals there. Yes, today we haven't entered, but now also we're preparing to enter along because the market structure we're giving us, but that just for day trading. For long term, you need to wait a little bit. So, you done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today the market gave us here pin bar, a very nice pin bar. Let me zoom it a little bit to show it to you. As you see it here, that the pin bar, yesterday a pin bar and today a pin bar here in that level here. And also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Should you buy? For long term, not yet. Also for long term, people they've been with us, they remember that. Also we buying from here, and from here, and we got another pending order here, down here. If the market fall down to that level here, we're going to buy again. If it's not from here, maybe to go back up, that's another story. But till now, also we're still waiting what the market is going to tell us in coming days and coming hours. Till now, everything still looking the same. The only thing now, that level here, that one here, it's showing a very stronger level, as you see it last time from here, and now is it here. So it's telling us a support. When it's getting broke, it's become a resistance, and that's what's happening here. As you see it, look at it here. I don't want to go back to past. Look at it here and here and here. Now it's getting broke here. It went up, the market fell down, test it again, it went up, now test it again. Now either from here it will going up and to break the last high, or it will just go to here, then from here it will break it down and to break it for us. So till now everything still looking the same, nothing changed. For long term also we just, they say, hey, we're buying from here, and if it fall down here, we're going to buy again. If it fall down here, I'm going to buy again. I don't care, me Bitcoin, I believe in it by my eyes closed. I think in the Bitcoin it will go up no matter how long it takes. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So we don't need to make the video too long now. Now it's going to see the coming news for today, for pictures get more clear to you, so it's going there. Coming news for today, guys. Today we got very special news. As you see it, we got the building permit, that one, new home sales, because all that week is about the housing or real estate in USA. So everything's still looking the same. That's the news which is coming today. And here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us till now. US market is falling down, as us we accepted in Monday. But me, I thinking it will reverse, because it gave us even in the SP500 a pin bar. And down here, the VIX today, it fell down a little bit, as you see it. From 17, it go back to 16. That's very good news here. But we are waiting on Friday what Jerome Powell is going to say, because that person, we don't know what he's going to say. But I think he's going to reverse the market. US dollar is still going up, but as I told the people in my Discord, also we are in a very stronger resistance in the daily. Let's see if we are going to break it or to fall down again. So I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. And in the 4 hours, as we told you in the last video, we got here a double bottom here, as you see it. I told you if it's breaking the neckline, we will enter long. It hasn't break it. Now the market, he show us here a triangle. The moment now, when me I'm registering that video, it's breaking that triangle here, as you see it. Should you enter long now, tell that 4 hours here to close. If it close like that, you need to enter long for swing trading. That without any doubt, if it's breaking here, just enter long. That's it for swing trading. If it's breaking here, that level here, enter long, guys. So I think picture is too clear. Take profit where it needs to be. The take profit, the first take profit of you, it needs to be here at that level here, as you see it. When we touch in here, that level here, you go to your broker and you draw in the trend line how I draw it me. When we touch in here, take profit. That's it. That's the only thing I tell you, because that level here, as you see it, last time from here it jumped, and today it show us a big rejection from here. Maybe from here we're going to see a big volume enter to the market again. So tell us we're still waiting, or you can even here, you see it here, that one here, that last low here is going to be in the trend line I showed you before, because if we do it again, look at it, you came to those ones here like that, and you're doing like that, and here in the top, that the trend line. When it touching the trend line or touching here, that level, take some profit. Here in that level here, take some profit. That's the only thing I can tell you. But till now it hasn't broken, so you need to wait until it's break, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, as you see it, we've been here at the oversold area, that 2-3 days. Then now it's breaking above here, that level here, and the 4-hour candle it closed. So it's a very, very, very highly chance the market it will reverse. And even here you got a divergence from that one and that one. That's why me I told you, if it's breaking the triangle, enter long. Take profit is going to be when that one touching here, the overbought area. So get ready, guys. That's the only thing I can tell you. Get ready. Forget about the others, what they're telling you. Forget about the news and everything. If it's breaking the triangle, that 4-hour close, a green candle breaking the triangle, enter long. If it's not, you need to wait more. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing. Look at it. Is it here at the oversold area? Price action you got now. I show you the triangle here. Now it's showing a rejection, but if a green candle came and do it like that and break it here, enter long. That's the only thing I can tell you. If a green candle came here, enter long. Because why? After a big falling down, the Bollinger Band, it's showing us here in that level. It's being like that, and here is getting like that, smaller now, like that. So now I'm thinking there is a major move going to come, either up or either down. Also, we don't care, because look at it. We make it like that. If it's breaking above here, that level here, we're going to enter long. If it's breaking down, we're going to enter short. And why me? I'm focused about long, because our indicators, all of them at the oversold area, but that it will not tell me to enter long if it's breaking down. If it's breaking down, I'm going to enter short. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, that the triangle also we've been waiting all the whole day. Look at it, how I'm going to draw it. You see it or not? From here and here. Is it the same triangle we got in the 4 hours, guys? That candle here, it's left for it 7 minutes now. If it closes like that, I'm going to give people in my Telegram and my Discord a long signal to enter a long. That's the only thing. Yes, now it's showing here a rejection now. Look at it. It's showing here a rejection. But if it closing above the trend line, which is here, look at it how I'm going to draw it from like that. As you see it, from that one and that one. If it closes like that, I'm going to enter long, guys. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you now. If it's breaking here, that level here, I'm going to enter a long. For the short, what shall we do? If it falls down, because we need to put second scenario. For the short, if that one came down here and breaking down here, we're going to enter short. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us we need to enter long. Look at it. You see it or not? Is it down here at the oversold area? Level we are coming from a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. From here last time it reversed here and now here. And that one is a very, very, very nice accumulation level or a phase of the market. Either we are going to break up or we're going to fall down again. Because people, they are with me for some time. They know that. They know market is working with structures like that. Falling down, sideways, falling down. Sideways, either we are going to reverse or we're going to fall down. Same thing now what's happening here. If we came and we zoom it out like that and we see it what's happening here. If you came here and you see it, look here, that a sideways market falling down. Now you are in a sideways market. Either now is going to break above, or from here is going to continue downward. Everything is too clear, guys. That's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.